Hi, I am pretty sure that I've found your dog,
Oh,
Harley.
really?
Yeah,
Oh my
yeah,
god.
yeah, she was just
Harry!
wandering around the train
Harry!
tracks.
Someone's phoned us! Someone's phoned us!
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's her. Yeah,
Yeah?
red collar,
Yeah.
Rottweiler,
Yeah.
whatever, you know.
Brilliant.
Yeah,
Oh, thank you so much.
there's no need.
Thank,
No,
no,
seriously,
thank, no,
there's no need. It's okay.
thank you so
Right, come
much.
on. There's no, there's no.
Thank you.
Seriously, there's no need to thank me because I haven't even found her.
What?
I haven't even found her. I've not got her.
What do you mean? You haven't found her?
No, I've not got her.
What? What do you mean you haven't got her?
You were so chuffed. You were actually so chuffed. Got you, by the way. Got you, by the
You
way.
mean got me? This is my
It's the
dog.
20. It is literally the 24th of March. She's been missing since the 20th. You actually think she's still alive?
Of course I do. Why are you doing
Oh
this?
man, I knew I'd be able to get you. I saw this poster and your dog looked goofy as fuck. It's probably a good thing that it's dead, eh?
What?
Your dog's dead, man.
No, she's not. She's not. She's not dead.
Aye, go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself. Okay, right, I've got to go now. I've got to go now. I've got to go and take my dog on a walk. Oh man. Fucking loser.